We got some breaking news here out of New York. We are learning that Luigi Mangione's lawyers will no longer argue a psychiatric defense in his murder trial. This is a major reversal, and it's coming just a day, just 24 hours after a hearing where his attorneys had indicated those plans. Mangione is facing federal and state charges for the 2024 killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Mangione's state trial is set to start in September. We have reached out to Mangione's team for comment, but have not heard back. I want to bring in Misty Marris now to talk more about this. Misty, you and I spoke offline yesterday as we ran into each other at the elevators here at 30 Rock, and we were awaiting some sort of filing coming to understand what was behind this potential call from Mangione's defense, this potential plea from Mangione's defense. And now 24 hours later, they're throwing it out. They're not going to do it anymore. What do you make of it?
It is unbelievable. So as you said, Yasmin, Mangione's team had said they were going to raise an extreme emotional distress defense in the upcoming state trial. Now we see a transcript released today from a June 3rd hearing that was behind closed doors. This transcript relates to their indication that they were going to raise this defense. In the transcript, they're asking for more time to get medical records, to get experts. Yesterday, just yesterday, the defense said that they were going to raise this defense. And now we see an entire reversal. This leads me to believe that the medical records, the information, the evaluations, the expert reports that would support this defense was not enough to fulfill the standards that are required in order to raise this defense in
But wouldn't the defense have known that before they actually became public with this potential defense? Isn't that something you want to make sure you have before you do it?
So, Yasmin, there's an interesting thing. So in New York, if you're going to raise this defense, which is a very unique defense in New York State, you have to give plenty of notice to prosecutors. So the defense filed a notice that this could be a possibility back in September of 2025. And then there was this hearing on June 3rd where they're asking for more time to do all of the things that you need to do in order to support this defense. Well, I would have thought that if you were going to actually double down and say that this is going to be the defense at trial, that all of that would have been in place. But clearly, it seems that that did not happen. Now, the defense has said that they have not, they're going to withdraw it at this time. But that time limit, you're not allowed to hoodwink somebody at on the eve of trial. So they could be precluded from raising this later. So I agree with you, Yasmin. If you weren't confident that this was going to be the defense that you would raise, or you're actually admitting to the crime, why say that in yesterday's hearing? It is absolutely a mystery.
Misty Marris, thanks for jumping on this.